rolled out to the spot where we play hip hop and pop a lot. All the B-boys drinking Alizé while all the fine girls are drinking champagne. So I went to the booth and turned up the juice, and everybody started letting loose. We let the Alpine flow, picked up the mic and started to blow. I said wave your hands in the air and party like you just don't care.
Keep up Berlin.
Hip hop.
Keep up Berlin.
Hip hop. Hip hop. Hip hop. Hip hop. Fly girls kicking it, champagne bubbling, kick the next beat straight on the double then. So we started on the next beat, and the whole crowd got up on their feet. I said, throw your hands up if you like the vibe, if you like this newfound B-boy tribe. Keep your hands up cause we got it live. Champagne bubbling, beats on the side. Hip hop and pop and lock, hit you just like electric shock. Hip hop and pop and lock, hit you just like electric shock.